Welcome to Cooking with Bobby Joe. Glad y'all stopped back by. We are continuing our Copycat Taco Bell discontinued item series, and this is going to be another short video. I'm linking the first video we made, Beefy Fritos Burritos, above because most Taco Bell recipes use the same main ingredients, and we made all of the ingredients, the main ingredients, on that video. So today we're going to make triple layer nachos, and this is very simple. All you do is place a handful of your favorite tortilla chips on a plate or in a bowl. You can use more than a handful if you want. You want to place your refried beans over the chips, and this is easier to do straight from the stove top while the beans are still hot because as they cool they get a lot thicker. Taco Bell didn't use as much of the ingredients as we are using, but we're using the exact same ingredients, we're just using more of them. Next, you want to drizzle the nacho cheese over the refried beans and chips. These used to be on the dollar menu. After making these, I'm not sure why I went to Taco Bell to get them because they are super easy to make and they taste a lot better when you make them at home. Then you drizzle the taco sauce over the top. And then I also added a scoop of sour cream to mine. The original triple layer nachos did not come with sour cream though. But that's all there is to it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more drool-worthy human and dog treat videos. Y'all have a blessed week.